Hello, let us see the loop invariant technique used in code optimization. So here, for example, we are given with a uh, I mean programs code, that is for I is equal to 0 while I less or equals 2 to the power 10, and inside the while loop we are performing some addition, that x is equal to sine A into cos A into I, and I is incremented by 1. So this high level programming is given, and we have to perform the loop invariant technique. Now if we closely observe this inside the while loop, we can see that there are exactly two multiplication. Now this particular sub expression, if we see this particular sub expression, we will see this sub expression does not depends on the loop variable I. That is, in each iteration the value of sine A into cos A is independent on I. From here we can say that in a single iteration the number of multiplication is 2, so there are total 2 to the power 10 number of iteration. So the number of multiplication that is performed by this programming codelet is 2 into 2 to the power 10, that is 2 to the power 11. Now one improvement we can perform, that we perform this multiplication only once. This sub expression, the multiplication of this sine A into cos A, only once before the loop start, that is before the loop we perform this. Now inside the loop what we will do, we will do that x is equal to temp into I, and I is equal to I plus 1. So this is the converted code. Now in this code we can see that inside the loop there is only one multiplication. So in this change we can see that the number of multiplication is equals to 2 to the power 10, that is in a single iteration one multiplication is done. So in 2 to the power 10 iteration there will be 2 to the power 10 multiplication, and before everything there is a single multiplication, so the total number of multiplication is 2 to the power 10 plus 1. So what we see, that this sub expression is independent on this loop variable. So this sub expression is also called loop invariant. That is, this value of the sub expression independent on the loop. So this is the loop invariant technique that is used in code optimization. So here we can see that the number of multiplication is reduced. So this is one method, and one thing we can say, that this sub expression is moved from this position to this position. So we can say there is a motion of the code. So anyway, this is the loop invariant technique. Thank you.